Day one's month now, so I guess yes. Okay, she wanted black slime, so I would say, okay, I'm doing it now. Okay. Okay. I don't know what to get her, so I'm just gonna get her a fluffy. Let me add some glue. Let me pour some water. And let me add some safety float and activator. Now I had to steer. So she wanted black slime, she said. Okay, woo! There you go. I guess I can make it this. And do I have, okay. Actually, let's do this. Color. Wow. This is gonna make me bad. Okay. I'm gonna send it to her. Send it. She said she wanted black. Pick a ribbon, black. Let me just copy it. And now let me give it to her. Huh? Yeah, wait a second. Just send it to her. Wait. Okay, I don't know. Oh, that's nice. Okay, make sure to like and follow. Let me say bye to her. Make sure to like and follow. Bye.